Right guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're working on the VXR rep again. What we're going to do today is we're going to see if the VXR interior, which is down here, fits directly into this. He's had some vents done since you guys have last seen it. You can see them right there. So the last thing that really needs to happen is the interior needs to go in. And Jack's going to have some fun. Alright Jack? Yeah. So Jack's going to work on that while I'm doing a few bits wrapping some parts on an M5. Yay. Good luck, Jack. These are the parts that I've already wrapped in gloss carbon fibre. Right there. And then we've got these ones to wrap as well. Connor's doing whatever Connor does right there. But we've got these to wrap as well. These are the front grills. So let's go and have some fun with them as well.
Yeah. Connor's in charge of recording, and if it's shit, it's Connor's fault. Connor, turn the camera around and show me your face.
They fit me seats, or what?
They fit.
So this is what Jack does.
You blame me? I'm a stressed person.
Get up.
No. Don't zoom in on my face.
Right, so what are you doing in a minute, Jack?
Trying to take that back seat back.
So Jack's trying to take the back seats out because
no,
it's broke.
don't work. Connor,
Yes.
let me put the pipe on that, and then put that around your mouth and let me turn the compressor on.
What'll happen?
You'll find out.
Right, so one thing that has changed from the last video is he's now got these bonnet vents. So comment down below what you think of them. So Jack's just took this out and he's seen that a professional technician.
No, that's not a professional technician.
That's not a professional technician.
It's a professional twat.
Has cross-threaded the bolt, so Jack's now gonna get that out. Easy job or hard job?
Easy getting it out, it's just getting the bolt back in.
Getting it back in. Why? Because it's bent.
Because threads are not going to be good.
Oh, not good. It's dead satisfying when you do that. So, the real reason why Rusty isn't recording today is...
Busy man. We're wrapping an M5 grill in carbon fibre. We're not going to mention why. So Shane, if you're watching this, we're definitely not going to mention why, are we? But basically, once this grill's doing in carbon fibre, I've already shown them the ones on the shelf. So what we're doing is just finishing this off. And I hate doing these little farty bits because they're horrible. It takes so much time and so much effort.
You're just not very good, are you?
No, Connor here.
Thank you.
Can't have a knife. Can't have a knife, Connor. Oh wait. Never mind.
Right, so as I was about to say, this is ripped. Now, this is ripped because the guy who fit it before did it wrong. And this is what happens when you take it to people who don't know what they're doing. So, don't do that. Because this will happen. Bye-bye. No, we won't do that. So what are you trying to do?
It's yours.
What are you trying to do, Jack?
Yeah. Break and fix things.
Why?
Courses are shit.
Well, we already knew that. What's it stuck on then, Jack? Show us what it's stuck on.
Catch is done. It's fucking clips everywhere. Sure, there's another bolt under there. 1 sec.
Hey, you've done it.
In a fashion.
Back seats are out. You got a pen under there, you see that?
There's everything. There's
You got a pen, you got a penny, not a pound, it'd be nice if it was a pound, wouldn't it?
I found a tenner under my seats before.
A tenner?
Yeah. It wasn't even mine.
You stealing? Wait, where's the catch? Is that the catch?
Yeah.
Well, I've released the catch in there to get this out.
So what's happening here then, Jack?
Fucking people with cars.
What's happened? Why is it so broken?
Because it's failed.
It's really important that you don't break this, isn't it, Jack?
Yeah, because you'll get me breaking it even more to get it off.
Yep. And would your seats wouldn't stay back, would they, either, if this were broke?
Hey?
Your seats wouldn't stay back, would it, if it were broke?
Yeah, this is broke the opposite way, so it won't come out.
Brilliant. So,
Brilliant.
yeah.
You snobby cunt.
Jack, get the angle grinder.
No.
Get the angle grinder, Jack. Rusty, we're getting an angle grinder out.
No, we're not. No, we are not.
Wait.
Wait. Oh,
Wait. Wait.
he's done it. Has he done it? Yay! He's done it. He's done it. Go on, do it again.
Do smile noises. He's an happy chap, isn't he?
He loves it, doesn't he?
I like happy chaps.
It's because he's getting new seats. Right, so the back seats are now in. Looking pretty good. Couldn't actually record putting them in because placing them in, there's a bracket thing just down there. I was saying on the other side, and it's a two-man job. So I was needed. But we have actually fixed this. Well, he says. But, you know, if I could actually push it, it's a bit difficult on the camera, but yeah, we actually fixed this. Basically, this was just off centre, so now you pull it back, and then you can push it again. Yeah, like that. You see, it just goes in and out a lot easier. Now it's back in centre and it's aligned. Before it was at an angle like that, whereas now it's like that. So it moved in nice and freely. But yeah, these went in. They're in. Jack's finished them now. So next, we're on to these bad boys.
So now I've finished doing these. Front grills are done as well, so is the side fenders as well. They come out really good. The vinyl's not that great because it's not what we usually use, it's just some eBay stuff, but you know, it is as good as it's going to get. Jack, what just happened?
Magpie in boot.
They were chasing a magpie that were trying to steal all his shiny stuff in boot. Honey, what are you going to boot that's shiny? Yeah.
About 10mm socket.
It's robbed it. But I am back now. Connor's done a good job so far, hasn't he, Connor?
No, terrible.
Yeah, tell him down below that he's done a good job.
Me and Rusty are really ill.
We are actually.
Yeah.
Stop putting a voice on, you little faggot.
Me and Rusty's really ill.
No, we have actually been ill for the last couple of days. Jack seems to be immune to all like illness, because I don't know why.
But we're going to sneeze on him, so it's alright.
Apart from hair loss, he ain't immune to that, is he? Neither am I. I believe the front seats are now out. I'm getting caught up myself. Front seats are out. We're now putting the VXR seats back in. Am I correct, Jack?
Yeah.
So yes, I am correct. So it's reversing the same process. Where is it, Jack? 4 bolts?
Yeah.
4 bolts and then plugging it all in. Yay.
Yeah. Think about this one. You can record plugging that one in.
Oh, hi.
He didn't know what was going on. So usually when a car comes up, They usually like to have a little sticker as well at the same time. We've already put one on the other side of this car. We're now going to put one on this side. Very, very simple. Straightforward. Squeegee it on. If you guys want these stickers, by the way, link in description. These sold out literally within the first few days of them coming out as well, which was absolutely insane. Peel it off slowly. Any bit that comes up, just squeeze it back down. Job's a good one. Connor, can I ask you a question?
What?
Right, what we got here? Space, yeah?
Yeah, lots of space.
Lots of space. So,
Space maybe like a Corsa VXR or something.
So why is Jack out there doing that?
You see, a lot of people don't know this about Jack, but he's actually really stupid.
Look at him.
He'd rather work out in the cold than in a nice unit. You may as well just bin this place off, mate. Just work outside.
I'll say we got this place, so we want working outside.
You know, some people just don't.
Jack, why have you done it out there?
It looks warm, mate.
It's not warm. It's freezing. It's cold. So why did you decide to do it outside, Jack? Because I did clean you all this space in here, so you could actually get the car in.
Because I was already outside, I got distracted.
Yeah, that's a poor excuse, mate.
Yeah, but now it's
Come
almost
on.
done.
Come on.
Apart from people that bodge and irritate me and...
Right, what they've done? Do you want to explain to them what they've done?
Look at this. This seat. This piece. This
Okay.
one. Yeah. Now come to this seat. Gone.
So somebody's cut that off. Now, why would you do that? I have no idea, because there's no need to. So if any of you guys are wanting to switch your old seats for the VXR seats, just make sure that nobody's cut that off. Make sure the rails are all intact, because it's very, very awkward to take the rails off underneath without bearings flying everywhere off your old seat to then put it on the VXR seat. The rails are exactly the same. So, who are you texting? Nearly on 10,000 subscribers.
Ah, but we're not on 10,000.
Yeah, but what's happening when we're on 10,000 subscribers?
I'm going on holiday for 6 months.
No, you're not.
Now,
I'm going to tell the people what's happening when we get 10,000 subscribers.
You don't deserve to know.
So what's going to happen when we do it 10,000 subscribers, if you don't know already, me and Jack's going to take ourselves out of our element, which is cars.
Are we not?
Yes, we are.
No.
We're going to go somewhere at 3 o'clock in the morning and record our reaction. So we're thinking someplace, we're not going to say where it is, but there's a abandoned mental asylum. It's supposed to be haunted.
No, there
Yes, there is. No. We're going to walk around there at 3 o'clock in the morning with a camera and record out every little action. So you guys will see us squeal, cry, and hopefully not die.
I'd like some wind down time, please.
No, you don't get wind down. This is wind down.
This ain't wind down.
That will be wind down time.
Look at this stupidness.
Yeah, but wind down times when we do 10,000 subscribers
not
special.
wind down time.
That's wind
That's
down.
nappy change time.
No. Yeah, that probably will be. But you got that to look forward to, guys. We will do a little video when we do it 10,000 subscribers. It might be just a minute or 2 minutes long, just to say thank you and that. But there will be the 10,000 subscriber special coming, so look out for that.
I'm not looking forward to it.
You don't have a choice, bitch.
I do have a choice.
Fully qualified scare technician, bitch.
Yeah, bitch. No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'm taking a weapon.
I'll just take myself. I'm a weapon. Connor, you are coming. He just popped his head right corner.
Just chase it.
Connor, you coming?
No.
Connor? Connor? You...
He's gone. Thanks for your meat-o, Connor.
He's not bothered. You may have seen this in a few of the shots of this video. That's going to get wrapped in a separate video. Somebody's dropped that off for us. It's going to go gloss black. So you got that to look forward to. Jax was about to steal Connor's Mito. Connor, if you put your key on there. Tidy up after yourself.
Why you got the
Jack, I don't think he wants to come to 10,000 subscribers special.
His bonnet's up.
Yeah, he'll find that out. Seats are now in, full interior. You can see here, Recara's in the front, same in the back with the leather, all finished, all branded as well. Now what he does want is he wants these headlights switching. He's got some down here with HIDs built in, which are just here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly swap these over. Very, very quick job. And Jack's having fun.
Fucking sweating.
Hang on, let me just clean the people. There we go. So, me and Connor just absolutely cacked our pants, didn't we, Connor?
Well, we're on about a 10k subscriber special because obviously we're not that far off now. And we're talking about it, we were stood by the racks and what happened is...
Connor was stood like, show him where you were stood.
I was stood about here. And then...
Yeah, but hang on a minute. Didn't that box fall over as well? Why is it still stood back up? Jack, please don't do that. Why? Didn't that just fall over as well?
Yeah.
So why has that fell back up?
I don't know, but like this was like, there was no wind in here by the way, and this was like length like that, and it literally just went, it proper dragged and just went.
And also as well, that did actually fall this way, but for some reason it's propped itself back up. We just walked straight out, didn't we?
Yeah, we shit ourselves. Because like, what you lads don't know about the unit is, we've actually had things go missing, like, and there's no explanation why. I mean, we just turn up.
It's like footsteps up there.
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
weird. Like, honestly, this place is haunted, and like, this ghost is following us to like mental asylum.
Hey, ready?
Like, we don't need no mental asylum, mate. We're already here.
Honestly, like some freaky stuff keep happening. If you go back in some of the videos, you'll hear noises. There's one where we're working on the Golf R where a stone just flies straight past camera. Like, honestly, hey, I've shown you that.
No.
I'll show you after this. There's a stone just flies straight past camera, and I didn't even know it was there till somebody commented it down below. Then there's also one where, what was it? I think I was working on the Corsa or showing you what was next for the Corsa, and there was a massive bang in the far corner, and I turned the camera there and there was nothing there, nothing had fell or anything. And usually at night, nobody's around, nobody's next door or anything else like that. We hear footsteps upstairs, don't we? And it's like somebody's running upstairs, and it's really, really freaky.
So, calm eats, lads. Bring your crucifixes.
So let's just update them on this. So old lights are have to go back in, just because he doesn't have the bulbs for these. These take some H1s, he doesn't have them. So he is going to come back and get them fitted. But for now, interior's done. Connor's scared. I'm scared. Jack's sweating. So you wait, Jack. You wait. You wait. You wait till 10k subscribers special.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You coming?
I ain't coming anyway.
You are. You are.
I'm pretty excited for you.
Hey.
Oh, so you're coming now then?
Well, I think it'll be funny because like, I know I'll be scared, but I know you'll be more scared.
I'll be more scared. So, if any of you guys are wondering if this will fit in the Corsa, normal Corsa, yes, it will. What issues do you come across? Well, just make sure everything's actually there on the seat before you buy it. Yeah, yeah. Just make sure that everything's already there and nobody's angle grinded anything off, and you are literally good to go. It is pretty much a straight swap, straightforward, very, very easy. So, yes, you can do that as well. If you're wondering if the VXR body kit fits as well, go back to a previous video and have a look at that.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and check out our Instagram for daily content.